Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. I am very excited for today's video because I am going to be unboxing my first ever Trendmood box. And this this Trendmood box is specifically for Black-owned businesses, which I think is amazing. With everything going on in the world, this is just kind of something to help make things get a little bit better. At least I hope so. So very excited. I think this was $39 and I just went to the Trendmood website and subscribed, and it sends you notifications for when it's available. These are very limited in quantity from what I've been told or from what I've seen online and things like that. So I'm very lucky and very glad to have my hands on this bad boy. So this is the first time I am peeking, so this is super exciting. I've never gotten a Trendmood box before, so this is my first ever, and it comes so nicely packaged, as you can see there. And this is the inside of the box here. So the first item I see is from Colored Rain. I've heard a lot of things about this brand, but I've never purchased anything for myself. And this is called the Smoke Show eyeshadow palette. This is a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, as you can see here. Very, very pretty. It's called Smoke Show. I figured it would be more like neutral and gray, but it's definitely not. I'm going to swatch some of the shades for you here. There is the palette swatched. They're all mattes except for this black shade here, which is like black with shimmer in it. So very, very pretty. This is a very good palette to kind of use in conjunction with other palettes, or if you have a palette that's got mostly glitters. And as you can see, that is it there. There, you can kind of see the shimmer in the black right there, and it does come with a mirror, so very cute. Next up, we have two lipsticks. One is from Propa Beauty, or Propa Beauty, I'm going to go with, and it's the Luminous Satin Lipstick in the shade Focused, which looks to be like a really pretty neutrally brown color, which is right up my alley. I love shades like this. And this is what the packaging looks like. Very, very pretty. And then you have the logo there. Oh, well, if you look at the shape of this, it's very, very curved. This is very, very dark. This is definitely a fall time color, but it is a beautiful, beautiful brown. Very pretty. I will definitely be wearing that come fall. And then the next lipstick we have is from Mented. I guess it's called Mented Beauty. I'm not too sure. And this is the Nude Lala Matte lipstick. And it comes in like a kind of like matte rubbery bullet. And it says Mented there, if you can see. Another really nice nude shade. You can never have too many nudes. Very similar to the previous shade, but slightly more on the mauve side, as you can see. So it's this one here. But very similar. This one's more of a brown. This one's more of like a mauve color, I guess. And then next up we have from OPV, the Metal and Liquid Glitter. I've never heard of any of these brands except for Colored Rain so far, so that's really, really exciting for me to kind of see new brands, so that way I can definitely support. And it is a beautiful like red glitter. I wonder if this is like a liner or, yeah, so it's a liner, so it's got a brush tip here. And I'm going to swatch it for you guys. There really is no base, it's just straight up glitter. So I don't know how I would use this. That's it there. Very, very pretty. I wonder if it dries down. So I'm going to leave it on my hand for a little bit and see if it dries down. And then we have another Colored Rain product. This is a satin lipstick in the shade Whipped. This is such cute packaging. So that is what the packaging looks like. It says Colored Rain right there. Again, another kind of mauve color. This one's more, I feel like, on the purpley side. But still very pretty. You can tell they're all kind of in the same family of colors there. And then next up in this cute little bag, it's from Zodiac Cosmetics. And it does come with a 10% off coupon in this little bag here. And this is the, what does this say? Ooh, this is it actually doesn't say what it is. It just has the ingredients on the back. And then this, and then it just says Zeus, which is, I'm sure, what the name of this is. And I think it's just like a loose glitter. So this is what the packaging looks like. So it's got like a sticker here. Let me see if this says anything about what it is. It doesn't. I'm assuming this is like a highlighter of sorts. It doesn't say what it is, so that's interesting. I'm going to go ahead and take this little clear thing off if I can get it with my nails. I might have to grab some tweezers. Alright, so there is a net right there. I'm trying not to get glitter absolutely everywhere. So that is what it looks like. I'm assuming this is a highlighter, so I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill JO2 brush and just dip it in here. If it is a highlighter, it is very, 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 very dark. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful, but that is definitely not something I will be able to use on my face. So this is going to be more like a body shimmer or use it on the eyes, but that is absolutely stunning. And then last but certainly not least, it looks like we have another OPV Beauty blush palette. This thing is huge. I'm going to open it up here. It's 10 o'clock at night here, and my upstairs neighbors are vacuuming for some reason, so if you can hear their vacuum, I apologize. But this is the OPV Beauty blush palette, like I mentioned earlier. I can get it out here. Oh my goodness, this thing is massive. Like, look at it to the size of my face. This thing is huge. And it has a really nice big mirror, as you can see. These colors are absolutely beautiful. I think that these two down here at the bottom might be a little too dark for me, like this one right here and this one in the middle. But the rest of these up top look like I can make them work for me. This thing is ginormous. You are getting so much product in this, so that's awesome. And it looks like these three here are matte, these three along here, and then the one in the corner, and then these two definitely have some shimmer in them, as you can see. But absolutely beautiful. That is so exciting. I'm really, really impressed with the box. It's the first Trendmood box I've ever gotten, like I mentioned before. But all of these lipsticks are right up my alley. I'm not really like a pinky kind of red girl, so these colors are perfect, and we're heading into fall. So definitely be getting use out of these. This red liner, I'm not really sure how I'm going to use it. It did dry down, so as you can see, I'm rubbing it. It is a little bit sticky, but not really coming off much on the finger, so I guess you could use this as a liner or use it on the lid and it would stay on really nicely. This highlighter is stunning. I just wish that it was a little bit lighter, but I will use this on the eyes. Yeah, and I'm really, really, really happy with this box, and I can't wait for the next Trendmood box. Hopefully I'll be lucky like I was this time and be able to get my hands on it. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time. Bye guys.